Picture this: two strong ideas, but no bridge between them. That's what happens when your essay lacks linking words, and that missing bridge can be the difference between Band 6 and Band 7. Why? It's because examiners don't just look for grammar or vocabulary. They look for flow, like how clearly each sentence connects to the next. You're watching IELTS with Quizlet, quick lessons to help you feel confident on test day. In this video, you'll learn 11 linking word hacks that make your writing smoother, more logical, and more academic. Linking words are like bridges. They connect one idea to another, helping your reader move smoothly from point A to point B. Without them, your writing feels like disconnected islands, and your argument loses strength. So, let's build those bridges. We'll go through 5 categories of linking words you'll need for your IELTS essay: contrast, addition, cause and effect, sequencing, and examples. Our first category is contrast. For this, you'll want to use words like however, on the other hand, or whereas. Let's look at an example. Some people prefer studying alone. However, others learn better in groups. Next up is addition. To add another point that supports your first one, words like moreover, in addition, and furthermore are great choices. For example, investing in public transport is crucial for reducing traffic. In addition, it helps lower pollution levels in urban centers. Now, let's talk about cause and effect. When you need to show the result or consequence of something, words like therefore, as a result, and consequently are perfect. For example, he practiced daily, therefore, he improved quickly. Next, let's look at sequencing, which is all about guiding your reader through your arguments. For this, words like firstly, secondly, finally, and next are essential. And finally, examples. To support a general statement, words like for example or for instance are essential. Example: many students face stress. For instance, exam pressure can be overwhelming. Now, before we move on, let's fix one small but common grammar trap. A classic mistake we see all the time is creating an incomplete sentence, especially with the word because. For example, because I like studying. See how that feels incomplete? To fix it, you need to add a main clause that completes the thought. Ready for a quick challenge? He was tired, blank, he kept working. Got it? The answer is, however. It shows contrast. Want to try more? Take a quick pause to practice. Tap the link for a short IELTS quiz, then jump back in to keep leveling up your skills. Now, always remember, the right linking word is essential because it can completely change the meaning of your sentence. Listen to this example. I like math, therefore I study it. That makes perfect logical sense. Now, listen to what happens when we change just one word. I like math. However, I don't study it. See? That one small change flips the entire meaning. That's how powerful linking words can be. One wrong linking word can collapse the bridge between your ideas. To keep your writing strong and connected, watch out for these 3 common mistakes. First, overusing the same linking word makes your writing sound flat. Swap it up with on the other hand or nevertheless. Second, choosing the wrong category. It confuses your logic. If you use therefore when you mean contrast, the whole sentence stops making sense. The linking word must match the relationship between your ideas. Third, avoid informal words like plus or and so on. Use academic ones such as moreover, in addition, or furthermore. Let's recap your linking word hacks. Use a range of connectors for contrast, addition, cause and effect, sequencing, and examples. These little bridges are your secret weapon for writing that flows like a Band 7+ essay. Now, Keep that momentum going. Tap the link and head to the IELTS Study Hub on Quizlet for practice tests, flashcards, study guides, and everything you need to succeed on test day.